This one has a pool. That's going to have to be filled in. It looks like this place has been empty for, well, I remember it was empty about a month ago. So I'm just doing a record of it, that's all. I'll be off in a minute, is that alright? Anyway, here we are around the front. A friend of mine here.
Still on the radio or not? No?
I've still got it. Oh, I won't talk for a moment. That's a friend of mine. He's doing the demolition. Woo! Right, it's Shoppenhangers Road, and 2 more houses that they're pulling down. And yesterday they removed the tiles off the roofs. Here we are, and it's Friday the 13th, and this is my last day here. And he ain't going to pull that down, he can't be bothered about that. And pulling all these trees out on this last bit. Yeah, and here's Andy.
Hey.
Alright, my man?
Yeah, I'm all good, thanks.
Have you enjoyed this little job?
Yeah, it's been alright, it's been alright.
Say hello to the world.
Hello, world.
Right, here you are. He's cut a lot of the trees down there. Here's some logs. There's a great big pool he's got to dig out over there as well. Apart Right, oh look, he's dug the pool out, that's all gone, and he's clearing the rest of the site now. Most of the trees have gone. Yeah, he's ripped all the trees out, it's almost all over now then. Right, here we are, and putting the stuff, bricks and everything through this machine. This is crushing them down into a manageable size to make hardcore, etc. Looks like he's having a break at the moment. Almost done though. All that concrete will go into it, smash it up into little bits. Only the concrete here. There's a crusher. Pulled all these trees out the back of the house. Apparently, I sold that bit of land at the back for £500,000. Nice money we can get here. Okay, as you can see, most of the site is cleared now. All ground. There's my mate over there going to. So what was it like clearing this site? Was it much of a job?
Nah, not really.
Not a lot. No. Almost done now, isn't it?
Yeah, a couple of weeks and it's done.
What, you'll be finished all together in a couple of weeks, will you?
We'll be finishing by Tuesday.
Yeah. Yeah, I see the old grinder's gone, isn't it?
Yeah, all the crushing's gone now.
And yeah. When do they start building? Pretty soon? I see you got some bricks.
Yeah, that's for a wall though.
Oh well, that's about the end of it then.